Elena.
Hi. Hi.
Good evening.
Mabuti naman at napasyal kayo.
Ikaw talaga ang sadya namin eh.
You know, from the very beginning that I saw you standing there, you're always on my mind. And I think this is the endless love for me.
Endless love, ah? Oh, come on. You know, for me, you don't have to be beautiful to turn me on.
Ulul. We organize a song with the help of a friend. Just for you. We want you to listen.
Talaga?
Yes. And from there, you have to select the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Fernando or Paul?
Oh, Carol, huwag ka sanang fool. Huwag kang pumatol sa isang ulol.
Excuse me, sino ang ulol? Look at his face towel. He looks like a doll.
Darling, honey, sweetheart, please don't listen to his talking about. Look at his eye bags. He looks like an owl.
I will always make guitar a sweetheart, no matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so in love with you.
Oh, Carol, my captain, I love you 4 scores and 7 years ago.
Oh, Carol, of all the bluebirds I ever did see, you are the queer.
Darling, honey, sweetheart, please don't listen to his talking about. Look at his eye bags. He looks like an owl.
I will always buy guitar a sweetheart, no matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so in love with you.
Excuse me, ah.
Wait, that song is heartedly, cementedly, and aspartedly for you, my dear.
Yes. Hindi mo ba nagustuhan yung kanta namin?
Di naman kasi Carol pangalan ko, no? Margie!
Tukulukong Joey De Leon yun, ah. Margie nga pala ang pangalan nito, hindi naman Carol.
Ikaw naman kasi, bakit kay Joey Dalong ka nagpagawa eh? Eh, nandun naman si Mondo Rosario, wala namang ginagawa.
Ano?
Yan na!